Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I want to talk about how we can create a custom 404 error page in WordPress. Now in the last video, we have learned about what is 404 error, and then we have learned about what is a broken link page, right? If there are any broken links on any of the pages or in any of the blogs in our website, and if somebody clicks on that particular link, instead of the default 404 error message page, we can create a custom 404 error page and then we can place it so that anybody who clicks on the broken link, they will be directly redirecting to the custom 404 page which we have created. I will show you one of the example. I want to click on the blog, and then here we have written two blogs, right? And then out of which I want to choose South Indian bridal reception look. I want to click on enter. It takes me to the page, and if I scroll down a little bit, here we can see, right? If I click on click and capture studio, it takes us to the click and capture studio homepage. And in the same way, I want to navigate back to the blog, and then we do have one of the hyperlink. It says wedding photography, which means if we click on the wedding photography, then it will take us to the wedding photography page inside the click and capture studio. Imagine for some reason at the time of writing the blog, the wedding photography will redirect to the wedding photography page, right? Maybe after 1 month or 2 months of time, imagine that we have updated the name from wedding photography to wedding photography services, which means after 2 months, anybody who clicks on the wedding photography hyperlink, it will not redirect to the wedding photography page because the page has already been updated, but we do not change the URL, which means it will be called as a broken link, and then it will be landed directly on the 404 error page. In this video, I will show you how we can create a custom 404 page so that anybody who enters some incorrect information on the URL, then it will show us a custom 404 error page. So first thing, we have to navigate to the WordPress admin panel, so that in the URL right after the website, we have to start typing /wp-admin. It will take us to the login page of the WordPress admin. We have to enter the username and password, and then when we click on enter, it will take us to the dashboard of the WordPress admin panel. So the very first important thing, we have to install a plugin. So from the left side, I want to scroll down a little bit, and then I want to find the option plugins, and then I want to click on add new plugin, so that it will take us to the page where we can search for the plugin and where we can install the plugin. And now we are talking about the 404, right? So what I can do, I can start typing 404 error maybe, and then I want to hit enter. Then it will show all the plugins that are related to 404 error page, out of which we can choose any one of the plugin which is very good. Maybe in my scenario, I want to choose Smart Custom 404 error page. It has 1 lakh plus active installations. All we have to do is we have to click on install, and then we have to click on activate. Since I have already activated, the current status of my plugin is active. Always remember, it is very simple. It will take only 5 to 10 seconds of time. We have to click on install for this particular plugin, and then we have to click on active. And once it is done, it will directly take us back to the WordPress admin dashboard, and then we have to choose the option appearance, so that in the appearance we can see a new option called 404 error page. We have to click on this page, and then we have to scroll down a little bit, and here is the place where we are going to decide which page needs to be displayed as 404 page. So first thing, we have to create a 404 page, and then we have to select that page right from these options, which means anybody who clicks on the broken link, if we select 404 page, custom page which we have created, it will be shown in place of the default 404 page. Maybe in this particular place, if we click on contact us, if there are any broken links in our website, if somebody clicks on the broken link, they will be redirected to the contact us. So always remember, it is good to create a custom 404 page, and then we have to click on save changes. And it is very easy for us to create a 404 page. I just want to navigate to the pages, and then all we have to do is we have to click on add new page, and then we have to give some information. And in my scenario, I have already created one of the basic 404 page with no much information. I just want to show you as an example. I want to click on this particular page, and then I want to hit enter. I just mentioned this page can't be found. We are sorry, but it looks like the page you are looking for does not exist or has been moved. Click here to go to home page. I just mentioned the very basic information, and then I clicked on save, and then I have navigated back to the WordPress admin dashboard page. and here we have to click on again on appearance, again the same page, 404 error page, and here in the option we have to choose 404 error page which we have created, and then we have to click on save changes. It is very simple. Now I want to scroll down a little bit, and we do have an option to test the 404 error page, whether is it really working or not. I want to click on test. Now here we can see this page can't be found, and also we have a button, click here to go to home page, and if anybody who clicks on the home page, they will be landing directly on the Click and Capture Studio home page. This particular page does not look good, so please do not judge me on what you are seeing here. I just want to give you an example. I'll take some time later and maybe I'll work on creating a beautiful 404 page. And also quickly I want to give you an example. I want to navigate to the Click and Capture Studio. Maybe let me click one more time, Click and Capture Studio, and then in the services I want to navigate to model photography. And here imagine that somebody is starting typing the URL instead of the model photography. They just forgot to enter the alphabet G. Now the entire URL is perfect, right? Now what will happen if they click on enter? Since it is inside the Click and Capture Studio, they will be landing on the 404 error page. The page does not exist. Since we have created a custom 404 page, where they will be landing? They will be landing on the custom 404 page which we have created. Now they will read something here, whatever the things that we have placed here, it might be content or it might be an image, and then they can take the action. Now the CTA here is call to action is the button. Click here to go to home page because this particular page cannot be found. And this is how we can create a custom 404 page in WordPress. And also I have clearly given you some of the example on how you have to create a 404 error page with the information, and you can update this information based on the business or the website that you are maintaining. If you have any questions related to this particular video, I want you to comment down right below my video. I will answer each and every one of your questions. And by the way, if you are new to my channel and if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, I want you to navigate to Edurself YouTube channel and find the playlist Digital Marketing, where I have did 100+ videos of digital marketing which will be very simple and short. I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.